Welcome. Today, we're diving into the latest way to pin bookmarks in Google Chrome on your PC. This new update makes it easier than ever to keep your favorite websites just a click away. Let's get started with the steps. First, open your Chrome browser. Make sure you're signed into your Google account to sync your bookmarks across devices. Once you have Chrome up and running, you'll see the familiar interface. Next, look towards the top right corner of the window. You'll notice 3 vertical dots. This is your menu icon. Click on these dots to reveal a drop-down menu. This menu is where you can customize and control various aspects of Chrome. From the drop-down, find and click on Bookmarks and Lists. This option will lead you to more bookmarking features that are essential for managing your favorite sites. Now, select Show All Bookmarks from the list. This action opens a new window displaying all your current bookmarks, allowing you to see what you've saved so far. Here comes the fun part. To pin a bookmark, simply find the pin icon next to the bookmarks you want to keep handy. Clicking this icon will secure that bookmark in your bookmarks bar, ensuring it remains accessible at all times. This feature is particularly useful for websites you visit frequently, such as social media platforms or news sites. Once you've pinned your desired bookmarks, they will appear neatly organized in your bookmarks bar. This not only saves time, but also declutters your browsing experience by keeping everything you need within easy reach. In summary, pinning bookmarks in Google Chrome is a straightforward process that enhances your browsing efficiency. By following these simple steps, opening Chrome, accessing the menu, navigating to bookmarks, showing all bookmarks, and clicking on the pin icon, you can streamline how you access your favorite sites. Thank you for joining me today. With these tips, you'll be able to enjoy a more organized and efficient browsing experience in no time. Happy surfing!